Ji adek michich godo ni gin Okinde ma bandia omaki e boma ma Siaya e apedha mar riwruok mar Okinde ma pacho ka LSK kokalo kuom bade mochung'ne ratiro ka gikonyore kod apisa mag obila. Kanoloso gi jofwamb weche bang' ndiko keth ji adek go e tesend obila ma Siaya, jakom kamati Nolinda Kiome owacho ni apedha ma kamano dhi nyime e pacho ka mangima. Kiome nowuotho gi jachung' mar LSK bade maimbo ma Kenya Byron Mwenesi ma bende nokwayo Okinde mondo jobed ka go lipot e wi Okinde ma bandia mondo mi okawnegi ondamo mowinjore.
We have fished out some of the masqueraders. One or two probably may have escaped us for today, but our work is not yet finished. It's a continuous process. All we are asking the advocates is to bear with us. We are working, we are doing the very best we can. Wherever they are, whenever they hear that there are masqueraders in their working stations, let them inform us. The Inspectorate Unit of the Law Society of Kenya is ready and willing to come and assist the branches. This is the work of the branches majorly because the branches deal with practice and welfare matters for advocates. The national office only comes in to complement the work that is being done by the branches.
We urge members to continuously keep us informed. It's an ongoing process and we need to work together in a united way to ensure that we remove this sickness from our profession.
As indicated by my senior, it is very easy to identify a masquerader because there are qualifications of an advocate. So if you don't have the qualifications of an advocate, automatically you are either an unqualified person or a total and complete quack who we refer to as masquerader.
Obila mago kwach kich DCI dayo dho achije mitudo